Psalm chapter 13. Prayer for deliverance from enemies. How long, O Lord, will you forget me forever? How long will you hide your face from me? How long must I bear pain in my soul, and have sorrow in my heart all day long? How long shall my enemy be exalted over me? Consider and answer me, O Lord my God. Give light to my eyes, or I will sleep the sleep of death. And my enemy will say, I have prevailed. My foes will rejoice, because I am shaken. But I trusted in your steadfast love. My heart shall rejoice in your salvation. I will sing to the Lord, because he has dealt bountifully with me. End of Psalm chapter 13. Lord, even before you answer my prayer, I will thank you for your goodness in hearing me, and trust in the salvation that you bring me. Amen.